So, you've got a PDF receipt and you're ready to expense it. But how do you get that pesky PDF into Expensify? Well, fear not, expense warriors. In this video, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of uploading PDFs to Expensify. Let's get started. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Expensify is and why we use it. Expensify is a powerful expense management tool that simplifies the process of submitting and tracking expenses. It's designed to streamline the workflow, making it easier for both employees and finance teams. Method 1. The classic upload. The most straightforward method to upload a PDF to Expensify is through the web portal or the mobile app. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log in, access your Expensify account. Create a new report, initiate a new expense report. Add a receipt, click the Add Receipt button. Choose File, select the PDF file from your device. Upload and submit. Once the file is uploaded, review the details and submit the report. Method 2. Mobile Magic. If you're on the go, Expensify's mobile app is your best friend. Here's how to upload PDFs using the app. Open the app, launch the Expensify mobile app. Create a new report, start a new expense report. Add a receipt, tap the Add Receipt button. Choose File, select the PDF from your device's camera roll or cloud storage. Capture or upload, either take a photo of the paper receipt or upload the digital PDF. Method 3. Email Integration. Expensify's email integration feature is a game changer. You can simply forward your PDF receipts to a specific email address, and Expensify will automatically process them. Here's how it works. Set up integration. Configure your email integration settings within Expensify. Forward receipts. Send your PDF receipts to the designated email address. Automatic processing. Expensify will automatically extract information from the PDF and create expense reports. Tips and tricks. To optimize your PDF uploading experience, consider these tips. Clear scans. Ensure your PDF scans are clear and legible. Correct file format. Use standard PDF formats for seamless uploading. Check file size. Large file sizes may affect upload speed. Utilize Expensify's OCR. Leverage Expensify's optical character recognition (OCR) to automatically extract data from PDFs. Test different methods. Experiment with different methods to find the one that best suits your workflow. By following these methods and tips, you can effortlessly upload your PDF receipts to Expensify. Whether you prefer the web portal, mobile app, or email integration, there's a solution for everyone. With Expensify, you can streamline your expense management process and save time and effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.